everyone, welcome back to the channel. Thank you so much for clicking on today's video. As you can see from the title, I'm doing all those cleaning jobs that I absolutely hate and I've put in off for a while, and you'll notice on some bits I've been putting them off for a long time. I'm kicking off with putting the washing away. It's just one of those tasks that I do not like doing. I don't mind putting the washing on, that's the quick bit, it's the putting away. So I tend to pair up all my socks whilst I'm taking it out the tumble dryer, just so that they're ready to go, because if I don't, I feel like I just leave them in the basket for days. Just get it out of the way in one go. The next job is getting rid of those pesky, dusty cobwebs, and I just don't like this job because you just never know if there's going to be a spider, so I do always make sure my husband is around just in case. So the next job is the shower screen and the bath. I tend to put this off just because it's such an awkward angle to get to in our bathroom, but as you can tell, you can see from the marks, I really couldn't leave this any longer. Then on to organising my cleaning cupboard. Does anybody really need that many cloths?
like a movie without ending, spending time like it was going backwards. Posters covering our walls, but they fall down. Diving deeper in the books that we read blind. Breathing in and breathing out to get smarter. Not working out for me, yeah, yeah. Got no money on my mind, tell my mommy I'm alright. Even laughing at the jokes you tell me. Keep myself inside the lines, neat and tidy all the time. If you ask me, I am fine. Got no money on my mind. Repeating patterns like the others. Meditation through the yoga lessons. Going greener by the minute. Soon I can't wear any other colors. Posters covering our walls, but they fall down. Diving deeper in the books that we read blind. Breathing in and breathing out to get smarter. Not working out for me, yeah, yeah. Got no money on my mind, tell my mommy I'm alright. Even laughing at the jokes you tell me. Keep myself inside the lines, neat and tidy all the time. If you ask me, I am fine. Got no money on my mind.
Then on to, I think, what everybody thinks the worst job is when cleaning. It's the oven. So I just let the racks sit in some soapy dishwater for a bit, just to help let them soften whilst I cleaned the rest of the oven.
Something. Don't you worry about me, yeah. Don't you worry about. Got no money on my mind, tell my mommy I'm alright. Even laughing at the jokes you tell me. Keep myself inside the lines, neat and tidy all the time. If you ask me, I am fine. Got no money on my mind.
apologies, the last part of the video got lost, but all I did was clean those racks and assembled the oven back together. I really hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, don't forget to subscribe, and I shall see you in my next one. Bye bye.